Sustainability is no longer just a buzzword. It's a lifestyle choice that more Murray homeowners are embracing. From energy-efficient appliances to solar panels, residents are looking for practical ways to reduce their carbon footprint while saving money on utilities. One area that often goes overlooked is windows. Modern eco-friendly window installation is one of the most effective ways to improve sustainability at home, and today's trends make it easier than ever to combine style, performance, and environmental responsibility. Energy-efficient glass technologies. One of the biggest trends in eco-friendly window design is advanced glass technology. Double and triple pane windows filled with argon or krypton gas are becoming standard for homeowners who want improved insulation. These designs significantly reduce heat transfer, which means your home stays warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. In Murray's climate, where residents experience both cold winters and sunny summers, energy-efficient glass is a game-changer. Adding low emissivity coatings further enhances performance by reflecting heat while still allowing natural light to pass through, reducing the need for artificial lighting and lowering energy use year-round. Sustainable frame materials. Another eco-friendly trend is the use of sustainable or recycled frame materials. Traditional wood frames, while attractive, can require extensive maintenance and may not always come from responsible sources. Today's homeowners are turning to materials such as fiberglass, which is highly durable, low maintenance, and energy efficient. Recycled aluminum, offering strength and a smaller environmental impact when sourced from repurposed metals. Vinyl made from recycled content, reducing waste while still providing excellent insulation. By choosing sustainable frames, Murray homeowners can enjoy stylish, durable windows while reducing their overall environmental footprint. Smart window designs. Eco-friendly living is also about maximizing natural resources. Smart window placement and design help capture daylight and encourage natural ventilation, reducing dependence on HVAC systems and artificial lighting. Casement and awning windows, for example, open fully to allow cross-ventilation, bringing in fresh air and improving indoor air quality. Large picture windows strategically placed to face south can capture passive solar heat during winter, while well-designed overhangs or shading prevent overheating in the summer. These thoughtful design choices combine efficiency with comfort, making eco-friendly living a natural part of daily life. Longer lifespan, less waste. Durability is a key sustainability trend. Modern eco-friendly windows are built to last, meaning fewer replacements and less waste over time. Materials like fiberglass and composite frames resist warping, cracking, and weather damage, which extends their lifespan compared to older styles. For Murray homeowners, this means less frequent window replacements and fewer materials ending up in landfills. Investing in long-lasting windows isn't just cost-effective, it's also environmentally responsible. Integration with smart home technology. Sustainability and technology are coming together in exciting ways. Some of today's eco-friendly windows can integrate with smart home systems, allowing you to automate shades, monitor energy performance, and optimize indoor temperatures. In Murray homes, where weather can change quickly, this integration ensures your windows are always contributing to comfort and efficiency. Smart features reduce wasted energy and give homeowners more control over their environment. Adding value through green upgrades. Eco-friendly windows aren't just good for the planet, they also add value to your home. Buyers today are increasingly looking for properties with sustainable features that promise long-term savings. By investing in modern, eco-conscious window installations, you're making your home more appealing on the real estate market while enjoying immediate benefits like lower energy bills and improved comfort. Conclusion: a greener future starts with your windows. For Murray homeowners, sustainability truly starts at home. Eco-friendly window installation trends, ranging from energy-efficient glass to sustainable frames and smart designs, make it easier than ever to reduce your environmental impact while enhancing comfort and saving money. By upgrading your windows, you're not only improving your home's efficiency but also contributing to a healthier planet. It's a practical, stylish, and responsible step toward greener living in Murray.